Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is circles. And in previous class we take and discuss all the important theorems related to your chapter circles, all the important topic like cyclic quadrilateral etc. all the important topic related to that chapter, and we also take and solve some important question based on them. Now in today's class, from today's class we are going to start a very important chapter of your syllabus which is surface area and volume, or volume and surface area. This is one of the most important topic chapter of your syllabus. So before starting the some questions related to that topic, first of all we discuss about all the important geometrical shape which is involved in that chapter. So like in that chapter, first of all we are going to discuss about the cuboid and cube. We are going to discuss about the cuboid. We are going to discuss about the cube. We discuss about the right circular cylinder. We discuss about the right circular cone. We discuss about the sphere. Okay, we in that chapter we discuss all the important shape of solids in that chapter. So we discuss one by one. First of all we discuss all the important formula related to that. First of all we are going to discuss about the cuboid. What is the concept of cuboid? Dear student, a cuboid is a solid bounded by a six rectangular plane region. Bounded by six rectangular plane region. This is a cuboid. This is a solid which is bounded by six rectangular closed figure. Okay, like that. This is the shape of cuboid. Six rectangular closed figure. It is bounded by six rectangular plane regions. It is a solid bounded by six rectangular plane region. It is said to be a cuboid, and a cuboid has a length, breadth as well as height. Okay, length, breadth as well as height. So this is the concept of that. Now the important formula related to that topic is the total surface area. First is what? Total surface area of cuboid. Dear student, the total surface area of cuboid is what? Let's see. The total surface area of cuboid 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into h plus h into l. In this way, L B H, L into B, B into H, H into L. Okay. Second one, lateral surface area of cuboid. Dear student, the formula for the lateral surface area of cuboid is what? 2 into length plus breadth into height. Third one, the diagonal of cuboid is what? Under root L square plus B square plus H. This is the formula for the diagonals of cuboid. Okay, and last one is the volume of cuboid. The volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So this is all the important formula related to that topic, cuboid. This is the very important. So first of all, learn all these formula related to that topic. Okay. Now we are going to discuss all the important formula related to cube. Just cube is also a solid which bounded by the six rectangular plane region, all of its same length, breadth and height. Means in cube, length equal to breadth is equal to height. Let us take equal to a. Say a. Okay. Means the each dimensions of cube remains constant. Means same. Means its length, breadth and height remains constant. We take as a. So similarly, the formula for the total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube is what? 2 into length into breadth. Length is a, breadth is also a. So a square, a into a square plus a square. So we get 2 into 3a square. This is 6a square. This is the formula for total surface area of cube. Similarly, second one is what? Lateral surface area. Dear student, the lateral surface area of cube is what? 2 into L a breadth a into h is also a. So a into 2a into a, that is 2 to the 4a square. This is the formula for the lateral surface area of cube. Okay, and third one is what? Diagonal. Dear student, the diagonal of cube is what? Under root, length is a, breadth is a, h is also a. So under root we have 3a square, to under root 3 into a is common out the sides. So the diagonal of the cube is what? Under root 3 into side, its edge. Okay, and next one is what? Last is what? Volume. They said the formula for volume of cube into a into a into a, that is a cube. So this is all the important formulas related to cuboid and cube. So please just first of all learn all these formula. After that you can solve each and every questions related to surface area and volumes. Okay, because of in that chapter all the questions based on the formula. So first you learn all the formula. Okay, after that complete solve your NCERT exercise, example exercise, etc. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the cylinder, cone and sphere. Let's see. Now we are going to discuss about the cylinder. You know that the shape of the cylinder is what? This is. This is the shape of the cylinder. Okay, and its two ends is in form of circle. Okay, here A, B, C, D the shape of the cylinder, and this is your height of the cylinder, and this is the radius of its base O and O dash. This is also equal to R. So first form related to that is what? Curved surface area of cylinder. Dear student, the formula for the curved surface area of cylinder is what? 2 pi R into H. Second formula is very important. Total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is its curved surface area plus area of its top. Its top is what? Two ends. Its top is in the form of circle. It's the top form of circle. So that is pi r square. Area of circle pi r square. So 2 into, because of two ends now are in circular form. So 2 into pi r square. Now we take 2 pi r as common, so we get h plus r. So this is the formula for the total surface area of cylinder. Now third one, volume of cylinder. This one, the formula for volume of cylinder is pi r square into h. This is the formula of volume of cylinder. So please listen, first of all learn all that important formula. This is one of the most important formula and your question based on the formula. So first you learn all these formula related to cylinder. Okay dear friends, now we are going to take and discuss a very important solid which is cone. Let's see. And its formula. Now we are dear student, we are going to discuss about you know that what is the shape of cone? The shape of the birthday cap. Okay, ice cream cone. Ice cream is the shape of the cone like that. Now look. This is the shape of the cone. Okay, and this is O, A, B, C. This is the shape of the cone, and here this is the base of the radius of the base of the cone is what? And AO is your height, and this is your slant height of the cone, and this is already perpendicular to that base. This is height is perpendicular take. So any angle AOB here, angle AOB is what? 90 degree. Okay, and the base of the cone is always circular in region. Now here L is what? Slant height. H is your height of the cone. OB is what? Radius of base. Radius of base. Okay, dear students. Now, a very important relationship between H, L, and R. Look, in right angle triangle, in triangle AOB, this is your hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to OB square plus OB square plus AO square. OA square. Now AB is what? Slant height. This is L square. OB is what? R square, and this is what? H, perpendicular height, H square. So L is equal to under root R square plus H square. This is the very important relationship between height, slant height, and the radius of cone. Height, slant height, and the radius of cone. So please, it is very important for that chapter. Okay, you and your upcoming questions. So please learn these relations, and some important formula of cone is what? First is what? Curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone is pi into r into L. This is the formula for the curved surface area. Second is what? Total surface area of cone. Dear student, total surface area of cone, its curved surface area plus area of its base, and its base is what? Circle. So formula of this is pi r square, and CSA is what? Pi r L plus pi r square. So we take pi r as common, so L plus r is left. So this is the formula for the total surface area of cone. And the last and very not is a very important formula, volume of cone. Volume of cone is what? 1 upon 3 pi r square into H. This is the formula for volume of cone. So all these are the concept of cone. So please learn each and every formula related to each and every solid like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone. Now we are going to discuss about the sphere and its important formula. Okay, let's see. Now we are going to discuss about sphere. A solid sphere is the form of this. This is the form of sphere. Okay, this is the shape of football. Okay, this is the sphere, and let us take, let R be the radius of sphere, then its surface area. Then first formula is what? The surface area of a sphere is what? 4 pi r square. This is the surface area of a sphere. Second one is what? Second formula is very important. Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume of cube and this is the formula for surface area of cube. And for hemisphere, the surface area is 2 pi r square, and the volume of hemisphere is what? Divided by 2, so we get 2 by 3 pi r square, pi r cube. So in this way, dear students, we discuss all the important formula related to each and every solids which are included in that chapter. So please first of all learn each and every formula related to each and every shapes of solids. After that, you solving your NCERT question. Now we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see, dear students. Now we take some important question based on this formula, and your question is this is find the surface area of a chalk box. Find the surface area. Find the surface area of the chalk box whose length, breadth, and height. Whose length, breadth, and height are 16, 8 and 16 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay, dear students, this is the question. Now here find the surface area of the chalk box, and this one chalk box in the shape of the cuboid, because it contains the 6 rectangular plane surfaces. So this is a cuboid, shape of cuboid. So we find the surface area. So first of all we write the what is the given length is given as 16 centimeter, breadth is given as 8, and height is given as 6 centimeter. Okay, we find what surface area. So thus we using the formula, we just discuss about that formula. So thus the surface area of cuboid is what 2 into LB BH plus HL respectively. Now 2 into L into B means what? 16 into 8 plus B into H, 8 into 6, H into L, 6 into 16. Now we simplify them. This is 2 into 8 128, this is 48 plus 96. Now we adding them. We adding 128, 48 and 96. 272. This is 2 into 272. 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, carry 1, 2 to the 4, 1 by 544 centimeter square. Thus in this way we get that result. Okay, so you can solve each and every question based on cuboid in this way. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these topics, these types of solids. Let's see. Now we take a very important question, and your question is 3 cubes each of. Now we take some important question based on cubes. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter, each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end, are joined end to end. Okay, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now let's see its solution. Now look, this is also a very important question, dear students. Let's see. First of all, given each side of cube is what 5 centimeter, and in that question 3 cubes add join end to end. Okay, join to in this way. Dear student, when three cubes join end to end, in that condition, each of side 5, each of side 5. So dear students, it is clear from figure, they form these form a result a cuboid, and the new length of the cuboid is what? Let's see, new length will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 yani 15, but height and breadth are unchanged. So look, when we write, when three cubes are joined end to end, three cubes are joined end to end, then a cuboid is formed, is formed, that is new length, new length of solid. New length of solid means cuboid is what? When three cubes join end to end, then in that condition the new edge, new length of solid means cuboid is what? 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15 cm, but breadth and heights are unchanged when three cubes join end to end. Thus the surface area, thus the surface area of resulting cuboid, thus the resulting cuboid is what? 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Now we putting them all these value. L into B means 15 into 5 plus B into H means 5 into 5 plus 5 into 15. Okay, now we simplify them, so we get 2 into 75, 25, 75, 25. Okay, now look, 2 into 75 at 25, the 100, this is 175, 100 and no adding them, 25, 100 to 175. Okay, now 350 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the value of the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, so dear student, in this way, when three cubes are joined end to end, then in that condition the new length will be what? 15. Now dear student, we take and solve some other important question based on these types of solids. Let's see this one. Now the question is, we take a very important question of your NCERT exercise. The question is, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter, of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Find the diameter. Find the diameter of the base find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Now look, so in that question, this is the question based on the solid cylinder. Now look, First of all, we write what is the given. Dear student, the curved surface area of cylinder CSA of cylinder is what? 88 centimeter square. Height h is 14 centimeter. First of all, we find radius, and we know that K diameter is the double of its radius. So first of all, we find the what cylinder radius of the cylinder. Since we know that the formula for curved surface area is what? 2 pi into r into h. Now we put 88 here, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, we find that, and this is 14. So 7 2 the 14. So r is equal to 88 upon 88, because the 22 to the 44, 44 to the 88. So cancel to here. So the value of r is 1 centimeter. So in this way, the value of its radius of the right circular cylinder is 1. That is, diameter will be 2 into r, yani 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the question based on these topics. So in this way, you also solve the question based on cylinder. Now we take some other question based on these types of solids. Okay, let's see. And the question is, now look, the radius of a cone, the radius of a cone is 3 centimeter, and height is 4 centimeter, and height is 4 centimeter. Find the area of curved surface. Find the area of curved surface. Now let's see its solution. Dear friends, this is a question based on cone. You know that the cone is the shape of this. This is the cone A, B, C. This is O, is the height of the cone, which is given as what? Radius of the cone is given as r is 3 centimeter. Its vertical height L is given as 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, and this is the radius, which is 3 centimeter. This is your slant height of the cone. We find the what? We find curved surface area of the cone. So since we know that the curved surface area, of cone is equal to pi RL. So first of all, we find its slant height, and we already discussed about a very important relation between LH and L. We know that since L square is equal to H square plus R square, so from there L is equal to what? H square means 4 square, R means 3 square. So we get 16, 9, 25, then 5. So in this way, first of all, we find the slant height of the cone. Now we put the formula. Now CSA of cone, the value of pi is 22 upon 7, R is what? 3, L is what? 5. So 5, 3 is a 15, so 22 into 15 upon 7 upon the 3 and 30 upon 7. Now after dividing them, we get 47 point something centimeter square. So dear student, in this way we discuss some important questions based on cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. Now, so first of all, dear student, you revise all the important formula related to that chapter, and do more and more practices of each and every question which we discuss in class, and then after you complete your NCERT exercise. Okay dear students, because of this is the very important chapter of your syllabus. Now In next class we take and discuss some important question based on these topics. Okay, now thanks to all.